Surprisingly, scientists have rediscovered the coelacanth, a mysterious deep-sea fish thought to have gone extinct 66 million years ago. First caught off the coast of South Africa in 1938, this living fossil has stunned researchers with its ancient lineage, unique lobed fins, and slow-paced life cycle, surviving undetected in the deep, unexplored waters of the Indian Ocean. Its recent sightings near Madagascar remind us of the vast mysteries still hidden beneath the ocean's surface and challenge our understanding of extinction, evolution, and marine biodiversity. Could there be more extinct species still lurking in the deep? The ocean holds secrets we've only begun to discover. The coelacanth, scientifically known as Latimeria chalumnae, belongs to an ancient group of lobe-finned fishes. These fish are characterized by fleshy, limb-like fins that are supported by bones. This feature is particularly significant because it represents a crucial evolutionary step between fish and the first tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates that eventually gave rise to all land-dwelling vertebrates, including humans. The story of the coelacanth's rediscovery begins on December 22, 1938, off the coast of South Africa. A local fishing trawler, the Noreen, caught a strange-looking fish in its nets. The fish was brought to the attention of Marjorie Latimer, a curator at the East London Museum. Recognizing it as something extraordinary, she contacted J.L.B. Smith, an ichthyologist at Rhodes University. Smith identified the fish as a coelacanth, a creature known only from fossils and believed to have been extinct for millions of years. It was akin to finding a living dinosaur and challenged long-held beliefs about extinction and evolution. The find sparked an intensive search for more specimens, but it wasn't until 1952 that a second coelacanth was caught near the Comoro Islands, between Madagascar and the African mainland. Since then, coelacanths have been found in other locations, including off the coasts of Indonesia, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, and Madagascar. In 1997, a second species of coelacanth, Latimeria menadoensis, was discovered in Indonesia, further expanding our understanding of these ancient fish. The coelacanth's physical characteristics are as remarkable as its history. Growing up to 2 meters in length and weighing up to 90 kilograms, it's a substantial predator in its deep-sea habitat. Its most distinctive feature is its pair of lobe fins, which move in an alternating pattern reminiscent of a tetrapod's gait. This unique fin structure provides crucial insights into how fish fins may have evolved into the limbs of the first land-dwelling vertebrates. Other notable features include its electrosensory rostral organ, located in its snout, which likely helps it detect prey in the darkness of the deep sea. The coelacanth also possesses an intracranial joint that allows it to open its mouth extremely wide, enabling it to consume large prey. Its body is covered in thick, scaleless skin that secretes copious amounts of mucus, which, combined with its oily flesh, helps it maintain its internal environment in the high-pressure depths where it lives. Coelacanths typically inhabit depths between 200 and 1,000 meters, preferring the dark, cool waters of submarine canyons and steep rocky slopes. They are nocturnal creatures, spending their days in caves and only emerging at night to feed. This deep-sea lifestyle likely contributed to their long-term survival and delayed discovery by humans. The coelacanth's reproductive biology is equally fascinating. Unlike most fish, coelacanths are ovoviviparous, meaning females retain fertilized eggs in their bodies until they are ready to give birth to fully formed pups. The gestation period is exceptionally long, estimated at around 3 years, resulting in a small number of large, well-developed offspring. This reproductive strategy, while ensuring the survival of individual young, makes the species particularly vulnerable to population declines. Recent studies have revealed that coelacanths have an incredibly slow life history. They may live for up to 100 years, reaching sexual maturity at around 55 years of age. This slow growth rate and late maturity make them especially vulnerable to environmental changes and overfishing, as populations take a long time to recover from any losses. the coelacanth's significance extends beyond its status as a living fossil. Its study has provided valuable insights into vertebrate evolution. The structure of its fins, for instance, has helped scientists understand how fish fins evolved into the limbs of terrestrial vertebrates. Its brain case and inner ear structures have also provided clues about the evolution of these features in vertebrates. Moreover, the coelacanth's genome has been sequenced, revealing fascinating insights into vertebrate evolution. For example, the coelacanth genome contains many transposable elements, sequences of DNA that can change their position within the genome. These elements are thought to play a role in evolution by introducing genetic variations. The coelacanth genome also contains genes associated with limb development in land vertebrates, further supporting its evolutionary significance. Despite the excitement surrounding their rediscovery, coelacanths face significant conservation challenges. They are listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. While exact population numbers are difficult to determine due to their deep-sea habitat, it's estimated that there may be fewer than 1,000 individuals left in the wild. The primary threat to coelacanths is accidental capture in deep-sea fishing nets, particularly those used for oilfish and sharks. Their slow reproductive rate makes it difficult for populations to recover from these losses. Climate change and ocean acidification also pose potential long-term threats. As deep-sea creatures adapted to specific environmental conditions, any significant changes in ocean temperature or chemistry could have severe impacts on their survival. The discovery of living coelacanths has rekindled interest in the search for other living fossils in the ocean depths. Two notable examples are the frilled shark and the goblin shark, both ancient species that have changed little over millions of years. The frilled shark, Chlamydocelicus anguineus, is a primitive shark species with a lineage dating back 80 million years. It inhabits deep waters and is rarely seen, but its snake-like body and 300 trident-shaped teeth make it a fearsome predator of the deep. First discovered in the 19th century, the frilled shark continues to fascinate scientists with its prehistoric appearance and unique adaptations to deep-sea life. The goblin shark, Mitsukurina austoni, is another ancient species, often referred to as a living fossil due to its prehistoric appearance. Its most distinctive feature is its elongated, flattened snout and protrusible jaws, which it uses to catch prey in the darkness of the deep ocean. The goblin shark's lineage dates back about 125 million years, making it one of the oldest shark species still in existence. These discoveries highlight the importance of deep-sea exploration and the potential for finding more previously unknown or thought to be extinct species. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored environments on Earth, with new species being discovered regularly. In fact, it's estimated that up to 2/3 of marine species may still be undiscovered. Emerging technologies are playing a crucial role in advancing deep-sea research. Remotely operated vehicles and autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with high-definition cameras and sophisticated sampling tools are allowing scientists to explore and study deep-sea environments like never before. These technologies not only aid in the discovery of new species, but also help in understanding the complex ecosystems of the deep ocean. For instance, the use of environmental DNA, eDNA, sampling techniques allows scientists to detect the presence of species through the genetic material they leave behind in the water. This method has the potential to revolutionize marine biodiversity assessments, including the detection of rare species like the coelacanth. Acoustic monitoring technologies are also advancing our understanding of deep-sea life. These systems can detect and track marine animals over large areas and long periods, providing valuable data on their behavior and movements. Such technologies could be particularly useful in studying elusive species like the coelacanth. The importance of protecting unknown species cannot be overstated. The deep sea is home to a vast array of life forms, many of which are yet to be discovered. These organisms may hold the key to understanding evolutionary processes, provide insights into adapting to extreme environments, and potentially offer solutions to human challenges, including new medicines. For example, deep-sea organisms have evolved unique adaptations to survive in high-pressure, low-temperature, and often oxygen-poor environments. These adaptations could inspire new technologies or medical treatments. Some deep-sea organisms produce compounds with potential pharmaceutical applications, including anti-cancer and antibiotic properties. The rediscovery of the coelacanth and other living fossils serves as a powerful reminder of the ocean's capacity to surprise us. It underscores the need for continued exploration and conservation efforts to protect the rich biodiversity of our planet's marine ecosystems. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we must also consider the ethical implications of our activities. Deep-sea mining, for instance, is an emerging industry that could potentially destroy habitats before we even have a chance to study them. Balancing the need for resources with the preservation of unique and ancient ecosystems is a challenge that will require careful consideration and international cooperation. The High Seas Treaty, agreed upon in March 2023, aims to protect 30% of the world's oceans by 2030. This landmark agreement could provide crucial protection for deep-sea habitats and species like the coelacanth. However, effective implementation of this treaty will require ongoing scientific research, international cooperation, and public support.